How to make a face glowing oil. This video is a DIY video, okay? So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do also subscribe to my channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for returning back to this channel. Guys, this video is a DIY video and promise it will not take long, like it will not be a long video, okay? So I'll be sharing this recipe. Remember, it's a DIY video. It's not something you can make and sell. You cannot make this one and sell. Rather, you make to use on your own skin. So guys, without wasting much of our time, remember this face glowing oil is a DIY. Something you use for your personal self. Something you make at home. You cannot sell this. The first one is rosehip oil and vitamin C oil. Just these two. Mix 2 tablespoons of our rosehip oil and 1 tablespoon of our vitamin C oil. 2 spoons of our rosehip oil, 1 spoon of our vitamin E oil to get a glowing face oil. So what does rosehip oil does on the face? Rosehip oil is rich in essential fatty acid, okay? While vitamin C oil helps to brighten the face and even out the skin tone. So you see the reason why I personally selected rosehip oil and vitamin C oil. When rosehip oil will help you moisturize your face, treat your face, and do other wonderful work on your face. Vitamin C, on the other hand, will also brighten your skin and even out your skin tone. So these two is a wonderful combination. So the second one on my list is argan oil and frankincense oil. Okay, these two oil is a wonderful combination for a face glowing. So you have to mix 2 tablespoons of our argan oil and 1 tablespoon of our frankincense oil. 2 of argan oil, 2 spoons, 1 of frankincense. So what does argan oil does on the face? If you're asking, yeah, I'll answer. Argan oil hydrates and nourishes the skin. You can see why I selected argan oil for your face glowing oil. It nourishes the skin. It also hydrates the skin. Argan oil. While frankincense oil has anti-aging properties. Not just anti-aging properties. It has lots of properties, okay? But main reason why I added this oil is for anti-aging. Okay? So if you're looking for a glow oil that contain anti-aging properties, go for this second one, argan oil plus frankincense oil, okay? And if you're a skincare formulator or you're not, but you want something, you need something, you're tired of buying and buying and buying, you need something that can help you in anti-aging, you can go for frankincense oil. Yeah, you can go for frankincense oil. The oil is very good. It is a very wonderful oil for anti-aging and other properties. Not just anti-aging. You can still search more, do your research about this oil and see what it does on the skin. So guys, this is for the face glowing oil, and I'll be dropping the body glowing oil. Remember, this is a DIY, okay? This is not something you will sell. It's for your own use, your personal use, okay? This video is 2 in 1, the face glowing oil and the body glowing oil. I'm done with the face glowing oil. So this one is the body glowing oil, which we need coconut oil and turmeric. Yes, coconut oil and turmeric oil for our body glowing oil. Okay. Mix 2 tablespoons of our coconut oil and 1 teaspoon. Listen, 1 teaspoon, not 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of our turmeric powder or turmeric oil. In case you cannot get turmeric oil, you use turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons of our coconut oil and 1 teaspoon. That is half of 1 spoon. Half of 1 spoon, okay? is a teaspoon. So we need teaspoon of turmeric powder or turmeric oil and 2 spoons of coconut oil. So what are the beautiful properties? Why did I say you should use coconut oil? What does coconut oil do on the skin? So coconut oil does what? Nourishes the skin, moisturizes the skin. While turmeric oil does what? Brighten the skin. It also have beautiful properties. Okay, but the purpose of me using it is what? For brightening, and the coconut for moisturizing and hydration. It hydrates the skin and moisturizes the skin. Turmeric does what? Brighten the skin. So you see, these two wonderful combination are very good for a body glowing oil. So if you cannot do the first one, which is coconut oil and turmeric oil or turmeric powder, you can do the second one. The second one is sweet almond oil and lemon essential oil. I've talked about essential oil before. You can go to my video. I've posted it before. Go to my page, my channel. You will see some essential oils. Lemon is included. So the second one now is the sweet almond oil and essential lemon oil for a body glowing oil. So how to make a body glowing oil with sweet almond oil and lemon essential oil? You need 2 tablespoons of our sweet almond oil and 5 to 10 drops of our lemon essential oil, okay? Yeah, to make this body glowing oil, we need 2 spoons of our sweet almond oil and 5 to 10 drops of our lemon oil to make this body glowing oil. So what are the properties? What are the benefits of sweet almond oil in this body glowing oil? And what are the benefits of lemon essential oil in this beautiful glowing oil? Sweet almond oil hydrates and softens the skin. Yes, that is one benefit I love about sweet almond oil. It does a lot of things, but for the purpose of this body glowing oil, what it does is soften the skin and hydrate it. While lemon essential oil has brightening properties and uplifting properties in it. So that is the reason why we are using lemon essential oil. It will brighten your skin, and if you have sagged skin, it will uplift it gradually. By the time you use the oil constantly, when you use this oil constantly, you will achieve a beautiful glowing skin. Remember, it is a DIY, not something you can sell. Okay, so that is all for this video. Be sharing some tips on how to use this oil so you will not misuse it, so you will not add more issue on your skin. Because if I don't share these tips, if you are using it the way you want it because you heard it's a glowing oil, you started using it the way you want it, you might end up causing 1 or 2 problems on your skin. So you have to be very careful and listen carefully so you will not make mistake when applying your oil. For those that have oily skin, you know you have oily skin, you don't need too much oils on your face because it can clog your skin. Yes, can even give you pimples. So you use this oil 2 or 3 times in a week, 2 times in a week, because of the kind of skin you have. When you're using this oil, you use just few drops. Okay, for oily skin, few drops is okay. Don't add too much. Few drops of this oil can do wonders, can do magic. Forget saying a DIY, it go help you way. Okay, so you don't have to apply many or too much so as not to result to another thing or cause another thing on your skin. Store your DIY oil. Remember, it's a DIY oil. I don't have face oil they do, I mean the body oil. Store your DIY oil in a cool, dark place so it will last longer and it will not lose its strength. If you go put am for where sun the mama the oil, e no go work o, and again e no go last. So if you wan make this oil last, put am for where sun no dey, in a cool dry place, so that your oil will last longer for you. So this is the end of my video. If you have not subscribed, please do it to subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and comment. If there's anything you want me to talk about, just write it down in my comment section and I will do that for you. I love you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please do not mind this scarf on my hair. I did not make my hair, that is why I'm on scarf. Pardon me. So guys, I love you guys.